Hi, my name is Scott Manaher. This video is provided by nichewebsitestrategy.com. Today we wanted to go over how to install WordPress the secure way. A lot of videos on the net on how to install WordPress, no doubt, but what most of them fail to do is teach you the basic security features of WordPress. They need to be done when you install it. They can be done after install, but seeing as how we're installing WordPress, we'll teach you how to do it before you install WordPress. So head over to wordpress.org and /download and download the latest WordPress version found here. Seeing as how we already downloaded it to our desktop, we'll just browse to the WordPress files. What we want to do is we do not want to upload the whole WordPress file. I want you to open up the WordPress file after you extract it, highlight all these files, and click copy, and then open up your FTP client. We use Smart FTP. Go to your web server, sign on to your web server, and simply copy and paste these files. Now once that's done, what we want to do is go back to our WordPress folder and open up the wconfig/sample.php file. This is where your database will pretty much talk to the WordPress installer. We have our wp-config file opened. There's a few things you have to know before setting this up. Database username, MySQL. Password, MySQL hostname, which that will stay the same more likely than not, localhost, so don't mess with that. And then your unique keys. We'll have to generate those. Let's start with the unique keys while we're here. We'll want to copy and paste this URL, api.wordpress.org/secretkey/1.1/salt into our web browser. And what this will do is generate a list of codes so you can replace these unique keys within your WordPress config file. Simply copy those lines of code and then open up your WordPress config file again. Then what you want to do here is highlight this code and click paste. Once the code is pasted in there, we're ready to set up our database username and password. By doing this, you'll have to log on to your back end of your web server. I use cPanel, so let's go there now. We'll want to scroll down to MySQL databases. We're going to pause the video. Alright, under databases, click MySQL databases. What we want to do here is create a new database and then click create new database. Go ahead and do that now. We already have a database set up that we plan to use, and then we'll have to assign a new user, and then assign a user to the database itself. So we'll click pause again and to scroll down. Under MySQL users, add new user, I want you to create a user. Don't name your username admin because it's pretty easy to hack. So we will steer clear of that. Pretty much use any username you can easily remember. And then next we want to generate a password. I use the password generator. It's a lot more secure. Once you copied and pasted this password, because we'll need that for a wconfig file sample, we want to click use password. Go ahead and click that. We're going to click close though. And under our add user to database, once we created the new user, after we generated a password, the user will be found under the add user to database. We want to highlight the user that we just created, highlight the database that we just created, and then click add. Now once that's finished, we can get ready and start filling in our wconfig/sample file. Let's go back up. I want you to copy and paste your database name within this field here. Keep the hyphens. Copy your username here, and copy your password here. And then once that's finished, we can upload this config file to our file server, and then we can start the WordPress install. So we're going to click pause here for a second. So let's just recap what we did. We downloaded WordPress onto our desktop. We added an API key. We uploaded WordPress through our FTP client, and then pretty much we're ready to install WordPress. So let's get started. When you go to upload your wconfig/sample file, what I want you to do is I want you to rename it to wp/config.php. And what'll happen is, I'll show you. You then go to your URL of your website, type in wp/admin/install.php, and you should come to a screen like this. This is where you can name your website, and you can put in the database or the username and password for your site, and it pretty much that's about it. Let's go ahead and get this done. My site name is SEO Tool TV. You can rename your admin. I suggest you rename this. We're just going to keep it admin for now. We can generate a password. Pretty much I have a password generator. It's under RoboForm, and it allows me to generate passwords. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video and then generate a password. Alright, I generated a password. Now I'm going to enter my email and my username, and then I'm going to click install WordPress. And let's pause the video now. I blurred them out just for security purposes. Alright, we're going to click install password. And now we're going to click login. And now you can pretty much you can log in with your username and password. We'll go ahead and log in now. And now you can see we have a WordPress install. Now let's go to our main website, see if it worked. Perfect. Just another WordPress theme. My website name is right there, and now I'm ready to install a theme on here. And I want you to delete the install.php. That way, if somebody does hack into your website, they will not be able to reinstall WordPress over your existing WordPress. So thanks for watching. This is Scott Manaher signing off.